Okay, don't mind the fan, but so we got it. We got it in-house, Pixel Buds A series. And let's get it out the box. Try this one-handed. I guess we can. We can, and we will. Ta-da! The egg pods, but I'm not going to be using this case. I'll be using the Pixel Buds 2 case because it has a wireless charging. But what else comes in the box besides that foot moving there? Yeah, I got your foot in the shop. That's alright though. So it comes with Type A to Type C, which I'll probably use that in the car to charge my phone. And then some extra ear cushions and booklets and such. I don't think it comes with let's see. I don't think it comes with the Google stickers, but that's okay. And here they are. This case actually feels a lot different, more plasticky compared to the Buds 2. And so that cut off because I opened the case and so it was trying to pair with the Pixel 6 that I'm using to film this. So I'm going to test these out right now and listen to some music and such. But definitely going to put these buds in the Pixel Buds 2 case. Keep this case as a backup, charge the other ones in it. One main reason that I wanted to get these was because the antennas in these are far stronger than the Pixel Buds 2. So the issue with turning your head and the music cutting out and one bud draining faster than the other apparently is not an issue with the Buds 2. But anyways, that's it. I'll just share this with you guys real quick.